All right, welcome back. And we are going to write the code which I gave you in the last exercise. And here I'm starting with if statement, and I'm starting that if 5 is greater than 4, starting the new block with this colon, and automatically indentation is being started using the print statement here. And with print, I'm showing the message that yes, 5 is greater than 4. Closing my braces and all. And now here in this particular block of the code, I'm going to write another condition. I'm using the word condition here. You just say that I'm using the if statement here. And if is like in English if also, if as the result of if you have the answer either yes or no. So this is just showing me that is this 4 is greater than 3. So you will tell me yes, 4 is greater than 3. And that it is what I want, what I expect right now. I don't expect that you have more than this knowledge at this point of the time. So see, again, when I put another if, for me here it has started another block, and if I say it here, I have created the block inside the block. So nested block is being created. And now again I'm using the print statement, and in print again I'm saying that yes, 4 is also greater than 3. Okay, then again another if. So in this if, I'm checking that either if 3 is greater than 2, starting up the new block, again a new block is created, indentation is being done, tab is already done here. So again here, how many blocks I've created here? This is the one block, this is the second block, and now we are in the body of the third block. So in this code, how many blocks were there? There are 3 blocks of code. So this is showing me here that is the 3 is greater than 3, and I'm saying that yes, 3 is also greater than 2. All right. Okay, now what I'm coming back in my original block. Not in this block, not in this block, not in this block. So I have come back in my original block here. And here in my original block, again, I'm typing the print statement, and I'm showing here that 5 is greater than which 3 numbers, which I already put, that 4, 3, and 2. So it means another print I'll use. Let me follow the same symmetry. It means that 5 is greater than all. That's it. So let's run it. Let's see what is the result. So this is the result, that first your code, this statement is being executed, which is of the first block. Then you were in this block itself. So when you run this statement, that 4 is greater than 2, then it has come to this part of the code, which is your second block of the code. Then this statement is executed, and then again, if is part of this code itself, then as it is true, then this statement is executed, and then we have come back to the original code. Out of the scope of this code, out of the scope of this code, we have come back to original block of the code, which was this one. So as a result of these 2 statements are just being executed as it is, as the statements, without the checking the if condition, as the statements. So this is showing us that how many output statements? 5 output statements. So this was like what I was asking, that how many blocks are there, and for each block how many statements are being executed. I hope you got the answer. And if still you have anything which you don't understand, or if there is any difficulty, so then don't worry about it. If you understood that here why these output statements are being done, if at least you understood that how many blocks are being created, that's the only thing. The other things you will get more clear as we will proceed in the course. So all these topics, like the you can say the conditions and the blocks, they are going to be repeating. So don't worry about it. We'll get complete explanation in the rest part of the course. So just what you need to do, you need to stay tuned with me.